color concept. Today, we will color this rocket with different colors. So, let's start coloring. Take red color and fill it in the uppermost triangle of the rocket. Color the following rectangle with yellow. Then, color this entire picture as indicated. Look, your rocket is ready to go in space. Ladyfinger impression. Rini is excited to see her new frock. But her frock has no design on it. So kids, let's give her frock some beautiful designs with the help of Ladyfingers. First, color the picture with your oil pastel colors. Give Ladyfinger impression on the frock like this. Rini's beautiful frock is ready. Paper folding, we will make a hat like Santa Claus wears. Take a square size glazed paper or fluorescent paper. Make a center crease and fold it like this. Then divide it in 3 equal parts. Now, fold it like this. Open and make it round. See, your hat is ready. Keep it on your head.